Hey guys, Aaron back in the garage. I got the 97 Lotus Elise S1 here, and today we're gonna do an oil change. This panel was already removed from down here. I have a video on how to do that if you need to do it, and also a video on how to lift your vehicle if you need to know how to do that. That gives us access to the sump down here with the drain plug and the oil filter conveniently located next to each other. The drain bolt is just a 15 millimeter. So let me just get that loose. You want some kind of catch can, obviously, to catch the oil. Unscrew the bolt and remove it in the crush washer. And let the oil all drain out. While that oil is draining, I'm gonna go ahead and use a universal wrench here for an oil filter, since I don't have the exact size one that fits on here. And I'm going to unscrew this and let that drain at the same time. Since they're located next to each other, we can use the same container. Just grab this filter, start unscrewing it, and once it gets loose enough, we can turn it by hand and it will also start draining oil. So we'll just let those both drain a little bit at the same time. Once our oil filter is done draining, I'm just gonna take it all the way off, dump the rest in here and just set it there. Let it drain completely. And wait for the rest of the oil to come out. Just gonna prep my new oil filter by running a little bit of oil around this seal to help it not bind when we're putting it back on. Once all the oil has stopped dripping, I'm just gonna go ahead and screw the new one back on, and I'm just going to turn it as tight as I can by hand, and that is gonna be tight enough. I wiped down our old bolt, installed a new crush washer, and let's put the bolt back on. The torque spec for this drain bolt is 27 foot-pounds, or that is also 36.6 Newton meters. And get that torqued down. Open the door, pull the release. And right under here, we can find our oil fill cap. That's where we're gonna fill it back up. I've read to fill it back up, it takes 4.5 liters. We are gonna be using Mobil 1 European car formula 0W40, and this is 4.7 liters, so almost this whole bottle. Let's drop a funnel in there and start pouring. Should have a yellow dipstick right in here to check our level. Just gonna wipe it clean, reinsert it all the way in, pull it back out, and we can check to make sure we are in the correct fill zone. So we actually want to go ahead and run this car, let the engine run, let it settle back down again, remeasure, make sure the oil is somewhere in the measurement. Move the funnel, put our lid back on, there we go. All right, that's all there is to it, guys. Please give the video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you on the next Lotus Elise video soon.